Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Quick Tips. Today's tip is going to focus on lug nuts, specifically those really crappy, rusty lug nuts that we always take off of our project cars and swear we won't use again, but we save them anyways. Sometimes they get stuck in the socket when you're taking them off. Here's an easy way to get them out. All you really need to do is hold them up just about shoulder height and drop them in the socket, and the nut should separate. Well, I never said it was going to work on the first try. Yeesh. There you go. I don't know how well it caught that, but you throw them down, and the impact of the ground with this socket usually pops that nut right out, or at least loosens it, so it's not jammed into the sides anymore. Alright, if that doesn't work, we've got another method. Alright, so if throwing it on the ground doesn't work to separate these two or at least loosen it, what we can do is take a bolt of at least similar thread. It doesn't have to be the exact thread because you're probably not going to use this anymore anyways. And screw that on there just to get the threads in there. Smack everything in, and it should come right out. So basically the same thing as throwing it on the ground, but chucked in a vise. Alright, that's going to do it for today. Hopefully that helps you get those rusty lug nuts out of those sockets so you can use them again instead of leaving them in your drawer with the rusty lug nut that eventually you'll get to. That'll do it. See you next time.